Hi, my name's Nana Hernandez. I'm 56 years old. We live here in Fresno. My occupation, I'm an immigration attorney. Of course, not for the people, not for the government. I started with Fresno Billy Rescue since day one, which is May 1, 2008. We're the only rescue center and sanctuary here in the Central Valley. We have over 53 dogs, and as to why I'm rescuing, because it's the right thing. My duty to humanity it starts here. It started with my own pit, which I love dearly, and me coming to the valley exposed me to the 3 million dogs are being put down, and out of 3 million, 1 million, and I don't believe in any form of racial, breed discrimination, and so it's our duty to do it. If I had 10 people come and volunteer here 1 day a week, these dogs, pit bulls, bully breeds, need a lot of exercise. We have the land, we've got the fields, we've got the river. But overall, if I had the wish, people focus on changing the legal definition of dogs just merely being property without any life. They're living beings, and we have the responsibility to be able to be harsh with the crimes against these dogs. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Crystal Wakeman. We're at Fresno Bully Rescue. My age is 23. I work as a trainer and rehabilitator for Fresno Bully Rescue, and I'm slowly taking over as director. So I guess we rescue, of course, pit bulls, bully breeds, anything having to do, boxer, American bulldog, and I think we're slowly going to take in at least 2 Rotties at a time. I began personally probably about 6 months ago. The rescue was started about a year ago. And I guess one thing that I would want to have people do is get educated about the overpopulation in this country, in the US. I mean, Canada has waiting lists for dogs, and here we're putting down 3 to 4 million dogs a day, and 1/3 of those dogs are pit bulls. So that's what I would like people to educate themselves.
Thank you.